Have you ever dated a woman for a while, and as things got more comfortable and less special, you noticed the woman becoming moodier, snappier, more demanding, more critical, nagging more? I know many of you are nodding your head right now because, listen, I'm a woman. I know that I do these things too. It's because what happens in the beginning stages of dating is all special. And when the specialness goes away, so does a lot of that electric fire and heated love that a woman will shine your way. Here's the thing about women. When we feel loved, when we feel heard, seen, and special, our hearts open up and we just want to give to whoever is in front of us. But if we don't get that, we close off, we shut down, and we turn cold. All of which are tactics for seeking attention, by the way, that typically bite us women in the butt because they never work. What if I could teach you a way to ensure this flip never happens? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do today, because in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop this attention-seeking behavior dead in its tracks by giving you an awesome tool to use on the women or woman in your life. This tool is extremely powerful and has a major impact on women. If you use this tool for just 10 minutes a day, you will avoid this relationship erosion that so many people experience. Just 10 minutes a day will guarantee that the woman in your life stays warm and lovey-dovey instead of turning to cold and bitchy. Whether you are single, in a new relationship, or a long-term relationship, this video is for you, so keep watching. I'm Marni, and from here on out, I am going to be your very own personal wing girl. And every week, I'm going to give you the no BS insider information about what women really want, plus the most effective methods to win over any girl that you like. So just hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. All right, let's get started. You may or may not know this about me, but other than being an outstanding wing girl to hundreds of thousands of men around the world delivering no BS information about what women want, I'm also a wife and a mother, or a wilf and a milf, as I like to view it. And just like you, I'm always seeking information and tools on how to do things so that they become easier and I can succeed. Recently, I've gotten into this amazing parenting program by this woman named Amy McCready that gives 30 different tools to successfully parent without yelling, something I struggle with, don't tell anybody. And one of the tips that she shares early on actually made me think of you and women. It was the one about breastfeeding. No, I'm just kidding, that's a bad joke. It was the tip she shared about the importance of doing 10 minutes of special time and how valuable it is to solidify emotional connection. In fact, Amy says if there is one tool in her toolbox that everyone has to do to ensure connection and less conflict, it's this one. So I got to thinking that as a woman, if my man were to offer me 10 minutes of special time every day, I would be in heaven. And many of you watching may not have that special lady in your life right now, but you're watching my videos, which means you will very soon. And this tool will help you immensely once you get past that initial attraction phase and get deep into the relationship phase. The phase when flirting is secondary and emotional connection is number one. So what is 10 minutes of special time, and why can it help you guarantee your woman remains warm and fuzzy instead of cold and bitchy? 10 minutes of special time is literally 10 minutes that you give to your woman where you have given your full attention and focus on her, where you give your undivided attention to her and do what she wants to do. With busy schedules, routines, and stress, many times those that are deep in relationships forget to give undivided focused attention on our partners. And with that lack of focus and attention on each other, the relationship starts to erode and the moods start to shift. I will say 9 out of 10 times, the women in the relationship will feel the pangs of this first and the most, and will do what they can to get that focus time back. When their efforts fail, or when they aren't getting exactly what they need to feel fulfilled, their behavior starts to shift and change. They feel emptier, they feel unloved, unseen, not special, and this begins the negative spiral that so many of us have experienced. But if you were to notice this and give your girl that 10 minutes of undivided attention, I promise you this shift would be way less drastic and could even totally be avoided. So here's how to do the 10 minutes special time. By the way, it's super simple, so it's gonna be a short video. Number 1, every day, pick a time when you have 10 minutes that you can give your full attention to your woman. It's best to pick the same time every day, but I totally get if that's not possible because of schedules. In fact, I wanna let you know that I've been doing this with my son for the past 2 weeks, and it has transformed his mood with me. And when I skip a couple of days, I notice that moodiness starts to creep back in. So be as consistent as you can be, but also understand it will and can still work if you don't get to it every single day. All right, number 2. Announce the special time to her. Let her know that having this time with her is special enough for you to label it and announce it. Honey, I have about 10 minutes before I leave for the office and would like to spend that time with you. Special. Or, honey, I'm about 10 minutes away from falling asleep, but I realize I haven't had any quality time with you today. Why don't you come and lie on me and tell me about your day? It's like melts my heart even just saying this. Announcing it makes it all the more special, and she gets what you are doing and doesn't have to be wary. So take these 10 minutes to either listen to her, share with her, hold her, have fun with her, do something she needs you to do. This time is for her and about her, but it's also about connecting, and nothing else matters. All right, number 3, make sure that in these 10 minutes you give her your undivided attention. That means no cell phones or distractions. No cell phones. If she wants to talk, listen. If she wants silence and holding, hold her and don't talk. If she wants you to hang up a picture that has been lying on the floor for the past couple of weeks, help her do it. Do you notice what I'm doing? Okay, I obviously have a picture on my floor that has not been hung up and has been there for a few weeks. And a little bit of time from the mister may alleviate some of my frustration and make me all warm and fuzzy again. So taking 10 minutes a day to focus on her wants and her needs feels so amazing to women. The point is to have this time feel special. And the more days in a row where you help make this woman feel special, the less you'll get the bad stuff from her. And this is going to lead to more connection, more closeness, more love, and more sex. I promise. I love how something that I learned in a parenting program can cross over to helping you with women. The truth is that all humans have the same desires. They want to feel like they belong and that they are loved. And doing 10 minutes of special time each day will help the lady in your life feel exactly that. And when women feel like this, they become more calm. And when they're more calm, they become more open. And when they're more open, the possibilities are endless of what they'll want to give to you. Now, if you want to dive deeper into the topic of creating a truly amazing relationship with a woman, a relationship where there's mutual trust and a deep sense of connection, where the passion doesn't run out, the sex doesn't stop, and your partner can't imagine living without you, then you have to take a look at my program, Beyond Attraction. As the name suggests, it's not just about attracting a woman, which is still important in the relationship phase, but this one goes a level higher and shows you something most dating gurus never will. It shows you how to form a true unbreakable connection with a woman so that she never wants to leave you. It teaches you not only how to spark hot, burning desire, but also how to keep it alive permanently. In other words, when you learn the secrets inside Beyond Attraction, you'll be able to get a girlfriend or a wife who actually values and loves you forever. A woman who would never cheat on you or break up with you all of a sudden, because to her, a life without you would be unthinkable. A partner who would never want to stop having sex with you because of the intense, ever-increasing desire she feels for you in her heart. Beyond Attraction is one of the only programs in the dating world which will actually show you the path to get the girl, keep her addicted and devoted to you forever, as well as ensure that the relationship you have with her is more satisfying than anything you could ever dream of, all in one. So if you're interested in this and wish to learn more, simply click the link on your screen right now or the one in the description box. You'll be led to the page which reveals all you need to know about this one-of-a-kind program that I know that you will love. So all you gotta do is go ahead and check out this program. Again, the links are in the description box. So trust me, if you're a guy who wants an amazing girlfriend or wife who loves you passionately and never stops wanting you, Beyond Attraction is something you need to have a look at. You will absolutely love it. Even if you don't have a girlfriend right now, you'll never come across another program like this in the dating advice world again. So check it out now, and I'll see you next week.